How to receive money from PayPal. If someone has attempted to send you money via PayPal transfer, it's very simple to receive the money. When a transfer has been sent to you, you'll receive an email notification to the email address that the person has included with the money transfer. If you don't have a PayPal account created, your email will look something like this one. It informs you that the sender has sent you money and the amount of the transaction. If you scroll down further, you can select the transfer by clicking Accept the Money. This link is available for a month after the transfer has been sent. You can then check off I'm not a robot to complete the security check. If you do have a PayPal account created, but it's not with the email address the transfer was sent to, you can select Login to log in with the appropriate email address. Otherwise, you can scroll down to create a PayPal account so the transfer can be completed. Just enter your details and click Next. Then enter your personal information for the account and select the checkbox to agree to PayPal's terms and conditions. Once you have all these details entered, select Agree and create account. You'll then be brought to your PayPal account page where you can see that our PayPal balance is at $1 because we received a money transfer from Techoist videos. If you already have a PayPal account, you may receive an email like this one noting that the transaction is being processed and all of its details. You don't need to accept anything here. The funds will automatically be transferred into your PayPal account. If we go into our PayPal account and select the Activity tab, you can see that the money transfer from Techoist videos is pending, and our balance will be updated once the transfer is complete. And that's how to receive money on PayPal. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.